Presenting the Amazon Basics 15-piece non-stick cookware set. The cookware set has an aluminium body with non-stick coating that allows for less oil cooking and is also easy to clean. It is BPA free. The comfortable soft-touch riveted handles of the cookware are designed to stay cool during use, making it easy to hold while cooking. This non-stick cookware set includes an 8-inch fry pan, a 10-inch fry pan, a 1.4 liters saucepan with lid, a 1.89 liters saucepan with lid, a 2.8 liters casserole pan with lid, a 4.7 liters casserole pan with lid, and a 5-piece utensil set including pasta server, soup ladle, slotted turner, serving spoon, and slotted serving spoon. All the glass lids have vents for steam to escape. The spiral grooves at the bottom allows for even heating, and this cookware is compatible with gas, electric, and glass stove tops. The product comes with 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.